Okay, so we are done with the more than, less than, difference, and sum. So let's move on to the next one. Okay, the next one, which is the times. Okay, so times simply means multiplication. So like times, multiplication. Okay, so let's see. Maybe if you're given a question like 8 times a number, 8 times a number. Okay, then you have to write it 8 times a number. So let's make the number x. Okay, so I'll get 8x, and maybe 2 times 4 plus a number, 4 more than a number. Okay, so 2 times 4 more than a number. Okay, so plus 4, then the number comes x. Okay, hope it's clear now. So 8 times 9 less than a number. Okay, so let's write this. 8 times, so I bring my brackets, 9 less than a number, so minus 9, then bring my x as this. Okay, so which is 8 times x minus 9. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. Let's move on to the next one, which is the reciprocal. Okay, let's move on to reciprocal. Okay, so reciprocal. So reciprocal means turning the thing upside down, somersaulting it. So for example, the reciprocal of 2 will be 1 over 2, because every number is over 1k. So when I turn it upside down, this will go to the top and this will come to the down. Okay, so the reciprocal of 5 over 4 will be 4 over 5. You see, so this is reciprocal. So reciprocal of 3 will be 1 over 3. Okay, because this is over 1, so the 1 goes top and the 3 comes down. So that's meant by reciprocal. Okay, so let's write this in some statement form and see how we will deal with it. Okay, so maybe a question asks like a number is multiplied, or a number, let's say a number times the reciprocal of 2. Okay, so a number will be x times the reciprocal of 2, which is 1 over 2. Okay, so I'll get x over 2. This will give me x over 2, right? Because x times 1 will give me x, then 2. Okay, I think this is clear here. So let's move quickly to few examples and let's solve them. Okay, let's look at some examples here. So okay, look at some examples here. So this example says 5 more than 3 times the number is 26. So let's analyze it one by one. So 5 more than. So let's take 5 more than. Okay. Let's take 5 more than. So 5 more than will be written as plus 5. It's more than 3 times the number. Okay. So it's more than 3 times x. Okay. So it will be 3x plus 5. Okay. S, so S is equal to 26. I hope you can solve this. 3x will be equal to 26 minus 5. Okay, so 3x will be equal to 21. Then you divide here by 3. Then you divide here by 3. The next becomes, okay. I think it's clear. Okay, so let's move on to the next question. So I hope it's clear. So 5 more than. So I write 5 more than, which is plus 5. Okay. 3 times a number. So 3 times a number 2 is written as 3x because 3 times x. Okay. It's 26. So all of this s means you go to 26. Okay. Then you solve it as I solved it. So let's move on to another question. I hope this is clear. Okay. So let's move on to a different question. Okay. Okay. So the question says 6 less than 5 times a number is 9. So let's break it down. So first, let's take the first part. 6 less than. So 6 less than will be minus 6. Okay. 5 times a number. So 5 times a number will be 5 times x, which is 5x. It's 9, so equals to 9. Then you solve this. 5x equals 9. Then you turn this back here plus 6. Okay. So 5x will be equal to 15. Okay. Divide here by 5. Divide here by 5. You get x equals 3. So we have to take it bit by bit. First one, you had 6 less than. Okay. So we write as 6 less than. Okay. 5 times a number. So 5 times a number will be 5x. S is equal to here and 9. Okay, so the number will be 3. Okay, so I hope this is clear. So let's move on to another one. Okay. Okay. So the next question is the difference between 4 times a number and 7 is 5. So I said if you hear difference, you have to write your negative sign first. Between 4 times a number, so 4 times x, 4 times a number, and 7 is 5. Okay, so difference, you have to write your negative sign. This is the difference. The moment you hear difference, you have to write a negative sign. Between 4 times a number, so 4 times a number will be 4x, and 7, so I bring my 7s, which is equal to 5. So you solve this. Okay, so you get 4x equals 5 plus 7. So I get 4x equals 12. So okay, divide here by 4, divide here by 4. I get x to be 3. Okay, I hope this is clear. You have to understand it properly. Okay, so let's move on to the next question. We can